Today we are changing the brake actuation system on this John Deere 2020. When you push down on it, it just goes all the way down. It does actuate the brakes, but it bleeds off. And I have another one. I have a spare tractor because of the rebuild I did on this, if you follow my channel. So I'm going to swap it out with the one that I know is good. I'm going to show you how. Now, I did take this front, this one brake line off already. It did give me a hard time. That's why I'm going to show you the rest of this. You have to make sure that this is spinning on the brake line and not twisting the brake line. Now, so what I did was I started spinning it slightly, and I tapped up here, and I tapped up here on the brake line, and I tapped here a bunch of times, and it did break loose. So I'll do the same thing with this back one, and you can see, you'll be able to watch and see how it works. Alright, so that one broke loose, so I don't know, maybe the taps at the beginning helped it a little bit, but I'll go ahead and take this off, and then we will remove this assembly. Okay, the next, there's two bolts on the side, they're 3/4. You don't have to take this off because it splits right here. I'm kind of concerned that if I don't do this quickly, that I'm going to lose a good bit of hydraulic fluid. So, all right, let's take this off. 2 3/4. Basically, just need a good hit with a hammer now, and it'll come off. But I am going to grab my scraper just in case I need to scrape an old gasket off. Right? Scraper's ready. Hammer's ready. Basically, the gasket's ready to go on. So I'm going to just toss it on. I'll hook the brake lines back up, and we'll see how they work. All right, new brakes are on, and I gotta bleed them. Okay, let's try to bleed this. It's one bled. This brake is nice and tight now. We'll go to the other side. Oh, this had a ton of air in it. All right, you could see when I changed this had a lot of water in it. If you watch my video on the steering column replacement, you'll see why. I'm gonna bleed out enough that we don't see any milky fluid anymore. Alright, that should be it. I'm going to clean that up, and that should be good. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel because that helps me. It's free, and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.